Hi, I'm Matt Boyle. I'm the Director of Electrification at the University of Strathclyde in the National Manufacturing Institute for Scotland. Probably the greatest day of my life was when I was informed that I would be a Fellow of the Royal Academy. I've been an engineer for as long as I can remember. Although I'm 62, I think I've been an engineer for 63 years. My first ever job was a maintenance engineer, service engineer in a defence business. Taught me a lot about people. I travelled the world doing very interesting stuff, but I kind of fell out of love with radar and then moved into industrial control via telecoms. Proudest moment of my career? Probably winning a major contract for the then employer in the North Sea to take over the control of an entire platform. Why did I choose to go into engineering? Well, as I said, I've been an engineer, I think, for my entire life. I'm the third generation of engineer in the family, and it wasn't a subconscious decision. It was a very conscious decision to go into engineering because I wanted to make a difference. I'm often heard to say that scientists and physicists tell you what the problem is, but engineers actually fix it. And that's where I think we as engineers fit best. I'm passionate about engineering. Work I'm doing today is essential for addressing the needs of climate change and the pathways to net zero. The UK is a wonderful place to do innovation. It's a wonderful place to do research and development. It has challenges in manufacturing, and I'm focused on solving those problems, the problems of manufacturing prototypes and scaling up, and adding to the UK's capability at the end of the supply chain and not just the beginning. We do need a great deal of fundamental research still in these technologies, but we also need to be able to make them, and that's what I'm focused on doing at Strathclyde.